Skills are the ultimate means of assets that automatically put money in your pocket. When you're perfect at some skill, it helps you to go beyond your expertise level and forces you to try some new things in life. In 2022, learning skills are essential, not only from the money point of view but also because learning skills help you reach at the top 1% of the world. So, without any further ado, let's get started with some of the best high-paying skills that you must learn in 2022. Digital marketing is one of the best skills that every brand, startup, and enterprise uses to market their products to wider audiences. With the help of digital marketing, both big and small brands, whether it be an enterprise or small startups, are promoting their products and services to outsource them to a wider audience. It is one of the best skills you should learn in 2022, as it will explode in the coming years. The next skill to learn is copywriting. This skill will help you to learn more about writing and marketing the products. Being able to sell via writing is a very valuable trait that can help you move up in your career. Neil Patel has wisely said that, if you write content and no one reads or sees it, then you're a writer. But if you write content and generate traffic, then you're a marketer. Copywriting is the sum of writing and marketing. It has the potential to make you a fortune. A skill that will be useful lifelong is programming. You can build apps, websites, or any kind of software that helps you to generate double income. It'll help you to develop logical and analytical thinking. Try to learn search engine optimization techniques. Help clients to get their sites ranked at the top in the search results. With the help of this skill, you can also put your content on the top trending page to boost your viewership. A great way to double your income. An easy skill to learn is video editing. The industry is changing. New creators are emerging. There is a very high demand for video editors to make video content. A golden opportunity to start your career in video editing. You can learn this skill for free on YouTube and start pitching some YouTubers for freelance work. This could make you some more extra income. We hope this video gave you some ideas of skills you want to learn in the future. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing or leaving a like. See you next time.